Hey guys, so welcome back to this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can do the sway open transitions on CapCut. So the sway open transition will go like this, and I'm gonna show you how you can make one. So first, open your CapCut, and you need to import two photos. The first one is put in the main track, and the second one is in the overlay like this, and then place the overlay in the center like this, half of the main video, and then add a keyframe in at the beginning of the overlay, and then go to mask, choose film strip, and then set the masking into -90, okay, like this, and then make it thin like this, and then after that add a second keyframe at the end of the overlay, okay, in this one, and then go to mask again, and now set it as a film strip and set it into okay, here the masking, now set it into -70, okay, around here like this, and make it big. Oops. Okay, and then click on the check icon, and now go in between the keyframe and then go to grabs and choose ease out 1. Click on the check icon. So here is the preview, and after that export the clips, click on done, and then start a new project and add the previous videos. Here click on add, and then after that select the clip and then add a keyframe after the transition, so in here, and then before, so when it's closed, in here, and then after that zoom in, and then go in between the keyframe and go to grabs and choose ease out 1. Click on the check icon, and now here is the sway open transition. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye bye.